Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm back with another Dude Theft Wars game tutorial, and we will be learning how we can change game mode in Dude Theft Wars. First of all, launch open Dude Theft Wars on your device, and on the main menu, look for the multiplayer button on the right hand corner and tap on it. Once you end up in this multiplayer mode, go ahead and click on Quick Play on the bottom right, and you'll be able to enter the game modes option. Select the game modes from the menu and tap on one of the game modes and click on Start. So now after you do that, you'll be able to get yourself a match and you can start playing. So that is how you will be able to change your game mode in Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.